This is a video on how to set up templates in Project Broadcast. So what I think of when I think of templates is text replacement. So it makes it where it's super easy to import a message and then you can edit it. Okay. So if you go to the little piece of paper on the left-hand side, you can you'll see all the templates you've already made. But if you want to make a new one, then you can click on the plus sign. You'll name it whatever you want to name it, and then you're going to put in the text. And so again, you can say, hey, then you can do the little arrows. You can say, hey, you can put their first and their last name. You could say, hey, Tiffany, and then you could say last name, and you could say, hey, Tiffany Lee. And then you can just write whatever else you want there. And you could also say, like, say, hey, Tiffany Lee, this is, and you can write your name, but if you were going to share this with a team member, if you go right up here to user, and it will say my first name and my last name, this means that it's going to import the hey Tiffany Lee, that's going to be the guest or the customer's name. This is, and then it's going to put your last name. So whoever the account is, and you could say PC consultant, and then you can write whatever you would like. Okay. And when you're done, you're going to click save. And so that is something that is super easy. And it's a template that allows you to quickly reply back. And I'll show you what that looks like. So if you go to, let's say I'm going to send a message to somebody. Let's see. Say I'll send it to Haley. So on the right side, you're going to go, this is where you reply back to everyone. So if you go to the little piece of paper at the bottom, you're going to see all of your templates. So if I was to click on one of them, then I'll click on the little check mark. It automatically imports my everything I say. And anywhere that needs to be edited, I can go ahead and edit that. Okay. And when I'm ready, I'll click the arrow, which means it's going to push it and send it to them. So in this situation, I wouldn't need to edit anything. But if you find that you're writing things over and over and over again, make it a template, and that way it's easier to send and quicker. And it works as well in the app as it does on the desktop. So hopefully that just saved you a lot of time and energy. You can share your templates with your team members. They can share your templates with them, vice versa. And it makes it a lot easier. All right. Hope that helps.